Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. Today we're going to be testing this Tokyo Marine HK416 Delta Tan. So this one has got a level 2 build, and we've also done the CTR stock conversion. So how's it? Cosmetic there, it looks lovely. So for this particular customer, we're also providing a black CTR stock as well, which will come with it. We've got the TM Cobalt Motor, we've got a Gate Basic Titan, we've got the level 2 build, so Prometheus Hop Rubber and Nub, EagleSix Upgrade Spring, and that's it for the build. Obviously we've emailed FPS. We've also installed a Sling point on the back there for you, and I think that's about everything really for the build. Obviously we'll put that in the video description, and we'll just demonstrate it now working for you. So as you can see there on the trigger response, it's basically as fast as I can pull it. You can see there it's nice and rapid on the rate of fire. It's 7.4 volts for this, and it'll fit into the butt pad on there. Obviously we don't recommend this gun on 11 volt. It's got plenty of rate of fire there, and it feels great with the recoil shock. 7.4 1300s are great for this gun. You don't want to go any more than that. There you go. So there you go. So it's all done. Obviously on the back here, butt pad, quite difficult to remove. We've done them quite tight. You need like a little tool just to pop it off, obviously, because we do ours quite tight so that you don't need Velcro or anything like that. But if I got anything to poke that with. Nope. So yeah, so obviously inside here is obviously your Dean's connector and your wiring, and then obviously the stock's adjustable. And yeah, we hope you enjoy. Any questions or problems about the build, just let us know. But hopefully it's everything you're looking for, and we can get this sent out to you. Thank you.